Kinongelam ka Achik Holistic Awakening Movement Aham kila Lyniar Tyndong Skhor Myntri Rangbah konrat ke sangma halor ka jingslam bat jingshna torti ya ka jingking yat kali ildek akong RCC Bridge hasurok adogre mangsang. Kani ka jingking ka penya sobun tli kishnong kiba hadu menta kidang ma de ka jingshitom hakalit kawan bat ka kit kaba. Kinongelam ka Aham kila u da ka jingtho asung Myntri Rangbah ka jela halor ka jingslam ban pendap ya kani ka jingking bakongsan hakathan adogre mangsang. Kila ong baya kani ka jingking lasdang banchna na du kasnam arhajar khat khandai hendrai menta la shu I khongreng ya ka namar lasage ano ya ka jingtrai baro. Lengbah ka RTI balapan da ka Aham layo jingtep balamang ban penlut na ka benta banchna ya kani ka jingking hadu khat ar pen lai phoklur tengka. Baro ka pisa la penlut hendrai ka jingtrai kim shampoi shanu ru la keno ka Aham. Ya ka surok adogre mangsang lamang nengkong ban penlut arspa shi phoklur tengka. Hadian pat la penhiar syaka shispa arphulai klur tengka. Hendrai ki jingtrai kidang sakut hadu menta la keno ka Aham ha ka jing ujo show Myntri Rangbah ka jela.
With the Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, Adogre Journey, today we have come to inspect the Ldek Akong RCC Bridge. The Ldek Akong RCC Bridge was sanctioned in the year 2019, but it was abandoned without any further construction, and therefore we have filed an RTI, and as per the RTI queries, we came to know the initial budget allocated to the Ldek Akong RCC Bridge was rupees 12,29,89,000, but it was abandoned due to fund constraints. As we all may be aware, the Adogre Mangsang Road was initially sanctioned in 2017 at approximately rupees 210 crore, but in 2019 it was drastically reduced to rupees 123 crore. Therefore, we would like to urge upon the government, whatever budget has been sanctioned to us, it should not be diverted anyhow. Therefore, we strongly condemn such kinds of negligence by the government, which is harsh, illogical, and unacceptable to the people of the region. We, the people of Adogre, feel detached and landlocked within our own state, because we don't have any direct linkage to any headquarters of the Meghalaya. Therefore, the Adogre Mangsang Road project is very important for us. Therefore, we, the Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, would like to request our humble CM Dr. Konrad K. Samla and Sri Kriston Tyndong to reconsider the budget depreciation project and appeal the government to complete the project with the original budget as soon as possible. With all these viewers, I would like to conclude.
Public lingta ya Aham haltirang baksa nang rame kampo kana kata ya rama public gaman singnaw nating gapa singka gapa singni nak Bosco ya thangkha singsi ya nga ya ko chingna original bridge ko ni chingna thari phaude namgen ne cha kumoni ko na phainga
ya sumoyo nga sangpa ahamni dalgparang ko mukela abaya iri nita ayun ta lobak pura thainga wanda ke chingna da o jekon dolong ko nangacham dawa chingna dolong ni phalo khalbat ko sir ke nangani ko no anga neke sorkari ko mongaska chingna RCC bridge ko nanga dolong ko nanga maina no de ira chingna direct Adogre ni garoisuni na khani ka kapara mo ani ko no yakho chungna maksudin phaude nampagin chumni mo aba mulmulot nas penga surkari ko